Hi! Summer is the time of abundance for heat-loving tropical vegetables. Bottle gourd is one such vegetable with numerous health benefits. Welcome to Parna Garden. I'm starting a farm-to-table video series to show recipes of vegetables I grow in our backyard. In this episode, let's harvest some bottle gourd from our backyard garden and prepare bottle gourd dosa. As you can see, we are harvesting plenty of bottle gourd. So you can look forward to lots of upcoming videos featuring delicious bottle gourd recipes. This one is a bit tricky to reach since it's in the farthest corner from where I'm standing. The turmeric and 4 o'clock plants growing beneath the trellis are blocking my way. With so many big ones, it looks like we will be on a bottle gourd diet for the next few days. Here is a recipe of the bottle gourd dosa. Wash and soak half cup dosa idli rice and 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, also known as methi seeds, for 4 to 5 hours. Blend them into a paste along with 1/3 cup of chopped bottle gourd and 1/4 cup of grated coconut. Bottle gourd is rich in water, so I have not included additional water for blending. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. And please share this video and the Parna Garden YouTube channel with your friends. Open the blender lid and scrape down any mixture stuck to the sides. Blend again until you get a smooth, fine paste. Pour the paste into a container. Rinse the blender with 2 tablespoons of water. Add that to the container and mix well. Finally, add salt to taste and stir thoroughly to ensure it's evenly distributed and has pourable consistency. Heat a well-seasoned cast iron skillet and sprinkle a little water to check for even heat distribution. Once ready, spread the dosa batter evenly over the surface, cover it and let it cook. Take out the lid, drizzle a teaspoon of ghee over the dosa, then flip it to cook the other side until golden. With the measurements given here, you'll get exactly 3 delicious dosas. If you're feeding a crowd or just really hungry, go ahead and scale up the ingredients. These dosas pair perfectly with coconut chutney. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next farm to table video.